get GTA San Andreas on iPhone iOS. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now, once inside the Settings app, tap on the General option available there. Inside General, tap on the Software Update. Then make sure that your software is up to date to the latest version. Since GTA San Andreas requires typically iOS 12.0 or later iOS version, so you need to check first of all that. And if it is in more than 12.0 iOS version, then tap on the App Store available there, and in the search address bar type down the GTA San Andreas. Now scroll down and there you'll get to see the option available. Simply tap on it and tap on the Get option available there and download it to your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.